Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be drawing birds on this paper over here, and basically, yep, that's what we can be drawing today. And finally, for the first time, I remade a video after like Saturday, just 1 week later, instead of taking like 2 months or 3 months. It's way quicker and it's good. Okay, let's get on to the video. So honestly, there's a bunch of methods to draw birds because they're different kind of birds, but I'm just gonna be doing a simple like baby bird kind of. So let's see, I'll do that. So first thing, you can do a circle. So basic circle like that. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like a person's face, like how you draw lines, draw a person's face, do that, and then make a line in the middle and sides. And like if your person is looking like more forwards to left, then you make a line over here, and if the person is looking more forwards to the right, you make a line over here. So the rest of your character can be like right to the right. And same thing with the birds. If you're making the bird looking forward to the left, then you can make the line over here. And if you're making your bird look to the right, you put the line over here. And even in the middle is possible. So let's make different positions of the bird. I'm gonna be making a circle. Then let's make a small eyes over here. Okay, basically like that. And now shape two lines over here in the middle, kind of, and sort of on that side. And then let's start on the face. So I'm not pretty sure how to explain, but let's just go with it. Hope you guys understand. So first start by line on top of the head, and then one line over here, or that. And two lines from there. Oh, then vertical lines. And one kind of like a circle that goes over here to over here. See? Okay, you want to see it pretty well. And then sort of close where the face comes. They have like a, say, a fat stomach, so it like kind of covers their neck because I don't really have one. Yep. And the eyes, bringing the eyes like make a sort of circle for the eyes, like over here in the middle. And now for the mouth, which they don't really have, with the beak. Let's put like sort of a triangle on top, just in the middle of the two eyes. And one in the bottom, but it's like a triangle with a flat top. No, it's in a straight. So instead of being like that, it's kind of like it's cut on top of it, so like that. So for the beak, and you can even color the one in the bottom for the shading. What I do for now. And for the eyes, let's put kind of like a mask or a shield or something. Like on top of the eyes, and it's like eyebrows, and just down over there too, and then color it. Make sure to keep the contrast for the eyes, so you can keep seeing the eyes. Keep a little circle in the middle, like that, so be able to see the other eyes. Have any shading. Here it is. There is no mistake if you make the eyes more wide or like down there, up there. They just make the difference between all birds. They're all different and doesn't matter, you know. You can change bird, it's all fine. Same thing with the head. If you make it taller, or you can add something on top, like some birds have, it's fine. Like my bird is. Okay, now for the body, just make a circle in the bottom, and then sort of add like their feet over here. And if you want, you can add like a stick to do, like if he's hanging on the stick, and that, and the, like, call that a tail or something. It's down there. Like that, and his hands over here. So here it is. I can show you quickly on the other angles how it could be, and then we'll end this video. Okay, for the side bird, it's pretty simple. You can just draw a little circle over here, see, and one down there, pretty close to the one over here. Kind of like if you're doing a snowman, you know. Then add a straight, not straight, but a curved line to do like if they're both rejoining together. Like that. Let's just reshape everything so it looks nice. And then you need to add the eye, which, because he's facing to the left, his body and all has to be towards the left. So the eye will be over here, and like that. Same thing with the beak, it will be looking towards the left. So like that, a triangle, and then add a line in the middle, or a bit lower than the middle. Yeah, so that's basically what you have to do. Now for the wings, sort of just come, like, make a line to the middle, and then like curve it a little bit like that, and bring it all the way down here. You basically take a ruler so it can be more straight too if you want, and just keep adding small dots and lines to make sure where you want your next line and shapes to be, basically. And then the foot will be only seeing one foot, because the other one will be on the other side, which is the right side of the bird, so we don't see. And just put the foot over here, like that. You guys can see it's pretty bad. Whatever, you can fix it later if you want to make it like that. Just keep adding some lines and to the wings like that, and then when you're done with that, erase the excess lines. So I can even make one from the left, one from, I don't know, every single angle for a bird. Hopefully you guys see. But for this video, let's just go for straight angle and one looking to the left. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Want to know how to draw birds? There are a bunch of other videos, but if you caught on mine video and you wanted to know how to draw a bird, and that's great. All I want to say is, obviously you want to draw a really realistic bird, then there's like more complex techniques than that. But other than that, these are pretty much realistic, I can say. They're not super realistic, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and I'll see you guys next Saturday, hopefully. Bye.